Hi, this is Marco from DComply. Today we're going to focus on troubleshooting adding your bank account. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to press this hamburger menu and get us into the settings menu. Now, if you're a person that's using the app without your co-parent, you could just leave this tutorial. You don't need to add your bank, so don't waste your time on this one. Um, the first reason why most people have trouble adding their bank to DComply is because their name, specifically their first and last name, aren't correct and it's not matching up with the personal identification process we need to go through to connect your bank account. So here you want to make sure that you're using your legal name, no nicknames, no middle names, no names that your best friend might call you. Um, you just want to stay away from all of that. Just make sure you have your legal name here to make sure that you get through the verification process. Well, the next place that we'll go to is the actual adding of the bank itself, so you can see what the process looks like. You'll see here, you'll just have to press this Add Bank button. Then we can punch an address. This is a sandbox environment, so I could just make up any address that I want, but you're going to want to actually put in your real address. Once I'm done with this, it's going to ask for your birthday. So again, the sandbox, so I don't have to put in a real birthday. Oopsies. Do that again. Okay. And then it's going to ask for the last 4 digits of your social security number. Here again, the sandbox environment, I could kind of toss in anything. We don't store any of this information. We don't have access to any of it. So again, this gets piped directly to the third-party identification process server. So once you've been cleared, you get to this screen where you get to add your bank. Okay, so adding your bank, we recommend that you use instant verification. That'll let you basically, gives you a little explanation how it works. But then you go and you can choose your bank. You enter your bank credentials here, your login, your password for your bank, and this will let you connect directly into your bank account via DComply. If this doesn't work, because sometimes I'd say like 95% of the time the instant verification does work, but there are some banks that minimize third-party access to apps. In those instances, just go back and we want to use that manual verification right here. And in this instance, what we're doing is we're putting in a routing number, an account number. We're going to confirm that account number. We're going to press save and continue. And basically, DComply will send 2 micro deposits into your bank account. You're then going to take those micro deposits, then re-enter them back into DComply to prove that that bank account is yours. And then you're all set. The account will be connected and you'll be able to send and receive money via DComply. Okay, hopefully that answers all of your questions. If you have any additional questions, please reach me at support@dcomply.com. Thank you very much.